Welcome to the Big Apple, the city that never sleeps and always captivates tourists from all over the world. I will take you on a journey to explore this great city and uncover the hidden beauty that is here. Let's start. First of all, we are going to Times Square, the world-renowned entertainment and shopping center. Here you can enjoy Broadway shows, shop at fancy shops, or enjoy the finest restaurants in New York City. Broadway Theater, or Broadway, are the theatrical performances presented in the 41 professional theaters, each with 500 or more seats, located in the Theater District and the Lincoln Center along Broadway, in Midtown Manhattan, New York City. For those of you who love luxury shopping, you can visit the next shopping scene. Times Square, Upper Fifth Avenue, Madison Avenue, Lower Fifth Avenue. You could try the best restaurant in New York City is Le Bernardino. Next, we'll be visiting Central Park, the largest park in New York City. With an area of 843 acres, 843 hectares, it offers beautiful scenery and a variety of activities. You can bike, jog, stroll, or even go on a picnic here. After that, we will cross the famous Brooklyn Bridge, which offers spectacular views of the city. You can walk or cycle on this bridge and enjoy the beautiful view from above. And of course, don't forget to visit the iconic Empire State Building. You can climb to the top of this building and enjoy the magnificent view of the city from a great height. Finally, we will visit One Vanderbilt, a new skyscraper located in Midtown Manhattan and one of the tallest buildings in New York City. From here, you can see the whole city and appreciate the beauty of New York City's modern architecture. That's some of the places you should visit when you're in New York City. Feel free to explore this great city and enjoy what it has to offer. See you on the next trip to the Big Apple. Don't forget our likes and subscribe.